Hello everyone, I'm Anirudh. With me are Harsh and Surya. The project we have worked on is developing a natural language query interface for databases. To start off, we would like to outline this project's objectives. The aim of this project is to use AI to remove the need to know SQL, enabling anyone to query the database for useful information. The application should be able to perform create, read, update, delete operations while ensuring secure authentication, options for providing only specific access to people, and visualization of results.
And this is the architecture that we have envisioned for creating the project. So we have like users can enter their natural language in the chat interface, like what are the queries they have. They can interact with the database using a GUI, and once they'll interact with the database, the results will be displayed. So for this, we primarily using Google Cloud. So we are using Firebase for the authentication of user login and sign up, and we are using Streamlit for the front end. And then for the database, we are using Cloud SQL. So we have written a script of SQL queries and Python to load the data from raw data to the Cloud SQL. And then for the Gemini 1.5 Pro, like we are using it for the query generation. So once the user is given a query, then it be passed to the Gemini 1.5 Pro to generate the query, and that query will be queried against a database to fetch the results. And next we'll be showing the web demo.
Okay, so now I'll start with the web demo. So as we mentioned, we are using Streamlit for the front end, so I'll start that. Okay, so these are the login and the sign up pages. I'll quickly make a demo user to show that it works. You can see in the Firebase that the user has been signed up just now. I'll log in with that user now. This is the page where we can fetch our queries in the natural language. I'll just run a sample of crude operations to quickly show you the results. So as we can see here, it gives the query as well, which we can easily copy, and the results, which is the output as well. I'll run through the other operations. This is just a read operation, so it fetches the data and returns it in the form of a table. Now an update operation. You can see it is updated to this. And finally, let's delete the record. And it's deleted. So this, as you can see, as our system, how our system works. And yeah, now let's proceed.
So finally, before we wrap things up, we would like to go over some of the issues and future work for our project. So with issues, we faced dependency issues when trying to deploy this app on Google Cloud Run. And we faced also a rate limit issue with Gemini 1.5 Pro. So if we were to expand this, then we would have to resolve this issue. And then finally, also generating plot images for visualization of data. Now, for the future work, we would like to deploy this on Google Cloud Run and also optimize the prompts that we send to LLM before getting the SQL query. And finally, also query caching so that similar prompts will return results immediately rather than having to process them individually again and again. And with that, we have come to an end of our presentation, and thank you for listening.